Hello guys, and welcome to another photo editing tutorial using Photoshop. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily color grade your photos using Photoshop. To begin, I've imported this photo into Photoshop and I'm going to show you how to add a light color grade to it. To do this, simply scroll up here and select layer, and scroll down and select adjustment layer, and scroll down here and select gradient map. I'm going to leave the name the way it is. Scroll down over here to mode and change the mode to soft light, and drop the opacity down to 30% and hit OK. And automatically you'll see that a layer has been added over here. The next thing we want to do is to double tap on this gradient over here and change the type from solid to noise, and change the roughness from 50 to somewhere between 20 or 30. I'm going to leave mine as 30%. Now if I hit OK right now, you will see that automatically a color grade has been added to this image. To see it, we can deselect this to see what we initially had and select this to see what we have now. But what if this is not what you like? You don't like the color codes? You can come over to this gradient here and double tap on it and come down and select randomize. So if I select randomize, I'm going to get other options. So this has a combination of green and orange, like a teal look. You just continue selecting it until you see something you prefer. So this has more of pink on it, this has more of blue on it, purple kind of feel. Just continue playing around until you find something you prefer. And once you are comfortable with a pick, come over here and hit OK. Now you can deselect this to see what you initially had and select this to see what you have now. You can also adjust the intensity by coming over here to opacity, selecting this drop down over here, and you can reduce or increase the opacity of that look over there. So this is way much, this is too exposed. I'm going to take this down a bit. Somewhere around 42 or 40 is fine for me. Take it down to 38 and hit OK. And if you still want to make changes, just come over here again to this gradient map, double tap on it and just make some more random changes to it and hit OK. So once again, this is what we had. And this is what we have. This is what we had. This is what we have. This color seems too much of green. I think I prefer this and hit OK. So this is what we had and this is what we have now. And that's it guys on how to apply this simple color grade to your image in Photoshop. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial tomorrow.